Hello, welcome back to my channel Edify. Before advancing the level in Python learning, let's dive deep into some important topics. There are some important topics in Python which we are going to study in detail. So in this video we are going to learn more about the strings. So let's get started. As we all know that strings are text data types, strings in Python are surrounded by either single or double quotation marks. Strings are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. A single character is simply a string with a length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. For example, A is equals to hello world, print A of 1. And also we have multi-line strings. The three double or single quotes are surrounded to these type of strings. For example, three double quotes, hello world, my name is John, I'm from California. Instead of double quotes, you can use 3 times the single quotes. Let's see how looping is done through a string. Since strings are arrays, we loop through characters present in string with a for loop. That is, for example, for I in John, then type print of I. If we run this, can you guys see the output screen? The output displays each and every character present in the given string. Now to check the length of the string, we make use of length function. Example, A is equals to John, then print len of A. If we compile it, we get the output as 4. So this is called string length. To check if a certain phrase or character present in a string, we use the keyword in. For example, let's consider a sentence x is equals to hello John, how are you? Then print John in x. If we compile it, we get the output as true. Or else we can make use of if statements here. Replace print statement by if John in x, then print yes John is present. Now if we compile it, we get the output as yes John is present. Likewise, we have not in to make use of. For example, instead of in, replace not in x. If free not in x, print no free is not present. And if we compile it, we get the output as no free is not present. Moving on to the topic called slicing strings. In this we have two types. One is slice from the start and the second is slice to the end. Before that, let's understand what is slicing. It is a technique, or you can say a method, which returns a range of characters by using the slice syntax. And how to do that? Specify the start index and the end index, separated by a colon, to return a part of the string. For example, let's get the character from position 2 to 7. That is, x is equals to hello John, print x of 2 colon 7. If we compile it, we get the output as LLO, space J. Here, each and every character, including space between the characters, are considered as one byte of array. Remember, the indexing always starts from count 0 in arrays. Slicing from start is done by leaving out the start index. If we do this, the range will start at the first character. For example, x is equals to hello John, print of x of, leave the gap and then colon and then type any number. Let's type 4. And now if we compile it, we get the output as hello. Likewise, if we want to do slicing to the end, then leave out the end index. That is, print of x 7 colon and leave it just like that, and we get the end output. Now this is called slice to the end. So we have seen what is string, how to loop through the string, how to check the presence of characters or phrases in string, and most importantly, slicing of strings. There are some more topics related to strings which we will be studying in the next video. That's it for today. I hope you guys had fun learning. If you liked it, then please subscribe to my channel and follow for more.